If you want to know the concept behind this fill, then this lesson is for you. Hi everyone and welcome. This lesson is about playing fills using the A-B concept, which means we are combining different stickings of the same grouping. And for the following examples, we are using groups of 3 and we are playing them as 16th notes. And the first sticking A, is right, left, left. Right hand and bass drum are playing in unison for the first note and the left hand remains on the snare drum. Sticking B is flam, right, right, left, also known as the bluster. And the first note of the sticking can be played on the toms. All the other notes remain on the snare drum. And sticking C is kick, right, left. The right hand can move around the toms and the left hand remains on the snare. So if we play each 3-note grouping 5 times in a row, we come up with 15 16th notes. And that means we need one more note to fill an entire bar of 4/4. The last 16th note of every fill will be played by the bass drum. So as an example, let's play sticking A 5 times plus 1 extra bass drum note. So this is the underlying rhythmic structure that you need to master first before moving on. And now it's time to create our first fill combination. We prepared some letter cards with A, B and C's on it. And now let's draw 5 of them to create our first fill. Letter B, A, B, A, and the last one is C. Our combination is B, A, B, A, C, and now let's check it out step by step. First, letter B. Letter A. Letter B again. A again. And letter C plus 1 extra bass drum note. And now let's try this nice and slow, 1 bar of fill followed by 1 bar of click only. And now let's try this fill in the context of some music. And now let's create another sticking variation with our letter cards. Here we go. The first one is C, another C, A, B, and the final one is A. So our combination is C, C, A, B, A, and let's try this as a 2-bar practice cycle, 1 bar of fill followed by 1 bar of click only. And now let's play this fill a slightly bit faster, again in the context of the music. And now let's create a third fill combination, and to show you even more options, let's use our letter cards again. So let's draw 5 of them. First one is a C, second one is an A, another A, B, and the final one is another B. Let's try this again in a 2-bar practice cycle, 1 bar of fill followed by 1 bar of click. Here we go. So before we check out this fill along with some music, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun learning these fills and following along. And if you have any questions, any feedback, you can leave them in the comments. And if you're interested in more of these specific fills using the A-B concept, you can check out Art of Drumming. There's an entire course that is based on this concept, and I hope to see you there. And now let's enjoy this fill one more time with some music.